Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1-2 Step. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can search for filters on TikTok. If you want to learn more about that, please watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you do not miss any updates like the new how to TikTok series that we're going to do. So let's get started. So first you open your TikTok app. So let's say you really like a filter, like the slow zoom filter that was going on, or let's say this freckles filter, and you forgot to save this filter to your favorites. So what you can do then is just go to your so you create a video, and now on the effect option over here on the left, you click on the effect option, and then there's a search button here, and here you will search for filters like slow zoom if that's what you want, and then you can see the filters found, and now you can use the filter on your video. Let's say you want the freckles filter that you just saw. You search for freckles, and there are many different kinds of features of filters. So you check which is the one that you want. So it's most probably the most popular one that you really want, and you'll apply that filter to your video, and then now the effect is applied, and you can now start recording and then post your video. So searching for the filter is very easy, and now you can record the video. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please do leave a like and subscribe to our channel 1-2 Step for more videos. Thanks for watching.